Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can insert footnotes and endnotes into legal research papers to increase the clarity of multiple legal document citations. Legal papers with many citations often appear cluttered if using multiple in-text citations. These papers most often benefit from the use of footnotes for needed citations. When you insert footnotes, Word inserts and numbers them at the bottom of the page. Note that Word also automatically renumbers the footnotes if the cited text moves in the document. Another type of citation that is less commonly used is the endnote. Endnotes collect the cited information at the end of the legal document. This is not necessarily recommended for lengthy papers, as it can make referencing the citations difficult if the reader must constantly turn to the end of the document to see the cited material. However, Word lets you insert endnotes into documents if desired. To insert a footnote in Word, place the insertion point immediately after the text to cite with a footnote. Then click the References tab in the ribbon. Then click the Insert Footnote button in the Footnotes button group. Alternatively, press the keyboard shortcut of Alt plus Control plus F to insert a footnote. Next, type the citation to use into the designated footnote area at the bottom of the page. After entering the footnote, press the keyboard shortcut of Shift plus F5 to quickly return to the last location on which you were working in your document. Alternatively, to insert an endnote in Word, place the insertion point immediately after the text to cite with an endnote. Then click the References tab in the ribbon. Then click the Insert Endnote button in the Footnotes button group. Alternatively, press the keyboard shortcut of Alt plus Control plus D to insert an endnote. Next, type the citation to use into the designated area at the end of the document. After entering your endnote, press the keyboard shortcut of Shift plus F5 on your keyboard to return to the last location on which you were working in your document.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.